Is everything looking right? Does it look smooth?
Yeah, it looks mad smooth.
HD?
Yeah.
1080p?
It's really crispy.
You up there?
Y'all DE.
Thing? DEA? NBC? ABC? NWA? Niggas with autism?
All I know is yayo.
We're going to jump into this joint. Go ahead and introduce it for me real quick.
I call this young. It's 5 Rivers. That's the name. You know what I'm saying? I want to hear my shit loud. Let's get to it. Turn up.
Turn it. Let's wake up. Like this shit loud, right? Let's go. Oh. Bitch, no beer, no nigga. So I ain't never scared of you weird no nigga.
Y'all say you need a hero, nigga. In my time like Robert, need the Neros with it. Little niggas hating, where's those midgets? I'm headed to the top like there's no limit. I just do me, I don't hear those critics. Niggas in my ear, I got headphones in it. All I hear is the voice inside and it said, go get it. In high school, what's a special ed slow nigga? Now I got it made special ed flow, nigga. Green light, tell them let's go, nigga. Never slip those bitches. But I'm still hot, she got that $1 million pussy, got a 100 bill cock. All eyes on me, some motherfuckers kill pot. I'm what the game missing, back of a milk box, get money. Wanna know what's the real plot? Sticking to the script even when the fucking film stop, till the fucking wheels drop. I keep going, stop killing my vibe, bitch be gone.
Turn me the fuck up. Turn me the fuck up. Turn me the fuck up.
I wanna hear my shit loud. Yeah, play my shit loud. I wanna hear my shit loud. For my niggas smoking loud. I wanna hear my shit loud. I do it for the love, I do it for the money, man. I take cash, credit to debit, and even MoneyGram. Broke is a joke, I ain't trying to be a funny man. I just keep it 100, but I need 100 grand. Money over bitches, well I hope these bitches understand. Back on my fly shit, sorry I don't wanna land. Yeah, this that hot shit. Do you niggas want a fan? I'm the shit, excuse my French, but I ain't come from France. I'm the fucking man, somebody tell these boys that you ain't smoking OG, well I guess you ain't mature yet. Dead presidents made my pockets with a morgue. Niggas sleeping on me, no I'm not a dog. door, man. Kicking down the door for my niggas, keep the door cracked. What you doing? I was doing that. Swag, what you on that? Run it, I was doing less. Niggas think it's all rap. I ain't about all that. Get money, fall back. Home man, horseback. Got me on my high horse. Tryna get a rollie bullshit, ain't got the time for. Hey, just take a shot, shit. School, I got the high score. Tryna turn me down, I just turn it up. Loud, more. Yeah, play my shit loud. I wanna hear my shit loud. For my niggas smoking loud. I wanna hear my shit loud.
Turn me the fuck up. Turn me the fuck up.
Mr. Rivers, what's up? Mr. Rivers, what's up?
I wanna hear my shit loud.
Well, you know, just check it. Make sure you check me out on SoundCloud. Check me out on there. You know, what I mean, I got the little project I got coming out called The Flow. You know, that's just the beginning. You know, and definitely, I mean, I'm here to premiere my song loud. You know, play my shit loud, turn the fuck up. You know what I mean? And shout out Loud as well. You know what I'm saying? Like they the ones hosting the Loud House Tour. You know what I'm saying? They show a lot of support. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my supporters. Shout out to Philly. Shout out, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Delaware, New York, New Jersey, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that's real that's out here on their hustle, you know what I'm saying? Everybody that's airing and listening. You know, just play this shit loud, that's all.
There it is. Okay. You